story like 8 years now. And I put it aside because I wasn't ready at that time. And when I watched Woman King, I said, you know what? I have a story similar. Let me do this. You know, and it's been a while. I shot Yoruba movies. Also, I wanted to give back. I was like, you know what, my people, I'm still here. So I always used to run away from epic movies. Do you understand? Because I felt like I used to run away from epic movies because I feel like, my Yoruba is not that strong. But you know, I said I'm gonna do it anyway. And we're here today.
Thank you. Let's go to the are you ready for your interview? I'm not doing an interview at all. Wednesday.
And the one that do mistake, that name. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Are you sure? Yes. Please make some noise for Labake OLODODO. Please, if you can volunteer your head, volunteer your hand. If you can volunteer your leg, volunteer your leg. Open mute. Please, if you can volunteer your head, volunteer your hand. If you can volunteer your leg, volunteer your leg. Open mute. Easy, Tiger. Bring it down.
Oh my goodness, I just cannot love you all. I want to say thank you. Producers, I want to say a very, very big thank you to Film One Studio, Film One Entertainment. A very big thank you to Abazde. And a wonderful one to Alaba Ultimate, who also featured in the movie. Thank you guys so much. Thank you every single one. And to my director, a round of applause for the understanders. Oh my goodness. To all the actors.
You look so stupid. I love the fact that you put in the love story. Congratulations. Wish you all the best. It's your time to shine. Go and break it. We'll keep pushing. Yeah, let's go. What's the number here? Thank you.